Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the cutting-edge field of nanotechnology and its revolutionary applications in medicine. Imagine tiny robots, smaller than a human cell, patrolling your body to diagnose and treat diseases. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of healthcare. Join us as we dive into the incredible world of nanomedicine. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the nanoscale, 1/1000th of a meter. At this scale, materials exhibit unique properties that can be harnessed for various applications. In medicine, nanotechnology enables the creation of nanobots, tiny devices that can navigate the human body, delivering drugs directly to diseased cells, repairing tissues, and even performing complex surgeries with precision. Recent advancements in nanotechnology have brought us closer to realizing the potential of nanomedicine. For example, researchers have developed nanobots that can target and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy tissues. These tiny machines are designed to recognize specific biomarkers on cancer cells and release therapeutic agents directly where they are needed. This targeted approach promises to revolutionize cancer treatment, making it more effective and less invasive. The applications of nanomedicine are vast and transformative. In addition to cancer treatment, nanobots can be used to monitor blood glucose levels in real time for diabetic patients, deliver vaccines more effectively, and even repair damaged organs at the cellular level. Imagine a future where heart disease, diabetes, and neurological disorders can be treated with unparalleled precision. Nanomedicine is making this possible. While the potential of nanomedicine is immense, there are still challenges to overcome. Ensuring the safety and biocompatibility of nanobots, developing scalable manufacturing processes, and addressing ethical concerns are critical steps. However, ongoing research and innovation are steadily overcoming these obstacles. The future of nanomedicine is bright with the potential to revolutionize healthcare and extend human lifespan. Nanotechnology in medicine represents a new frontier in healthcare. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the dream of a healthier, longer life is becoming a reality. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.